Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, it is my birthday. I am at home all by myself and I'm a bit bored, so I'm going to do something. I really don't have much idea what I'm going to do, so I'm kind of winging it. I'm going to do an ombre tutorial, that much I know. I've got all my gel polishes that I'm going to use and they're all Magpie Beauty. I'm going to do a different colour on each nail, and then I think I'm going to go in with this. This is the new Magpie Dust in Pandora, so I think I'm going to pop that over the top to see what effect you get, and then maybe a bit of stamping. So if you would like to see me wing it, stay tuned. Okay guys, all done, and I love Pandora. I would actually go as far to say I prefer Pandora to Shelly, and I love Shelly. I like this beautiful metallic sheen that you're getting. So it does change the colour slightly, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So I highly, highly recommend Pandora Dust. And the ombre, I didn't do it particularly neatly because I knew I was popping the Pandora over the top, and I ended up stamping with Dixie Plate's Mega Mani Mix 01, and I used Glow Up from Twinkle Tea, which is my favourite white stamping polish. Now I do stock these if you are in Australia. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. As I said, I think I said anyway, I'll pop a better picture of these at the end. So thumbs up if you like the video. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I will get back to you. And please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate your support, and I will catch you in the next one.